The history of our world is not a single story, but a library of stone of a 0.6 billion year odyssey defined by the geological time scale. This scale is our planet's master calendar. A hierarchical system that classifies Earth's strata into 5 distinct chapters, eons, eras. Periods, epochs, and ages. Our journey begins in the absolute chaos of the Hadean Aeon. Named after Hades, this was a hellscape of molten rock and poisonous gases, between constant bombardment of asteroids. There are no ages or fossils here, only the violent birth of a sphere. As the fires subsided, we transitioned into the Archean Aeon. Here, the Earth's crust finally cooled enough to form the first continents in the toxic, oxygen-free oceans. The first event of life occurred, the emergence of single-celled organisms. These microscopic architects began the Great Oxidation Event, a biological revolution that slowly turned the skies blue and poisoned the anaerobic life that came before. Setting the stage for a new world, we enter the Proterozoic Aeon, a massive stretch of time spanning nearly 2 billion years. This was the age of complexity, where life learned to breathe oxygen and eukaryotic cells first appeared, toward the end, during the Neoproterozoic era. Our planet underwent a chilling transformation known as Snowball Earth, where glaciers reached the equator. As the ice melted, the first multicellular animals, the strange, soft-bodied Ediacaran biota, emerged in the dark depths. This paved the way for the Phanerozoic Aeon, the age of visible life, which began 541 million years ago. Beginning with the Cambrian explosion, most major animal groups appeared. We moved through the Devonian, the age of fishes, where vertebrates claimed the seas, into the Carboniferous. Giant dragonflies buzzed over massive coal swamps that would one day fuel human industry. This era ended in the Great Dying of Permian extinction, an event that wiped out 96% of marine species. From these ashes rose the Mesozoic era, the age of reptiles. Dinosaurs dominated the land while the supercontinent Pangaea began to rift and drift apart. This was a greenhouse world of lush ferns and giant predators, but it came to a terrifying halt 66 million years ago. A massive asteroid impact in the Yucatan Peninsula triggered a global winter, ending the reign of the giants and clearing the stage for the Cenozoic era. This is the age of mammals. The world cooled, the Himalayas rose to the sky, and vast grasslands replaced dense jungles. In the Pleistocene epoch, the age of ice ages and woolly mammoths, early humans first learned to harness fire. Finally, we reached the Holocene epoch, a brief window of climatic stability that allowed human civilization to flourish. Today, some scientists argue we have entered the Anthropocene epoch, where human activity has become the primary geological force. We are now the authors of the next layer of stone, leaving a permanent golden spike in the rock record that will tell our story.